I'm about to fucking send this shit in.
There's a log dog.
Shining glory.
Log dog.
That dog's sweating.
The dog's been fried by the log. Nice. Is the keg tapped or is it still going? Whoa, hot damn, you're on fire.
What was that?
Don't worry about that. That's nothing, sir.
That was a log dog.
Hey, don't worry about it. We didn't burn no clothes. We didn't burn no seats. We're good. That was all. Man, look up at the sky. It's got to be daylight.
Yeah.
That was
No,
unrescuable.
Just, hey, log dog tonight.
You lost it.
I owe somebody 10 cents. Girl, man. Here we go.
That's like what we're made of is carbon and water.
Like in Boy Scouts they taught us, like if you're out in the wilderness, you burn a fire, whatever black charcoal's left, you put a piece of that in your mouth and you chew it because it's basically like 2,000 grit sandpaper. So essentially as you chew that charcoal or whatever, it's breaking up into super fine but rough particles and it's brushing your teeth, and that's how you brush your teeth in the wild. But the best thing about it is this log dog is going to get smoked and the other log dog smoked.